Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to drive from New Kingston to Halfway Tree. So we're going on to Trafalgar Road now. That building on the right is the Atrium, which is the NCB head office. The building on the left used to be a Super Plus supermarket, but it's now the data center for the NCB. And the building on the left is it's a Scotiabank branch. It's either the head office or their data center. It doesn't have the Scotiabank logo, so it's probably their data center. Okay, so we're on Trafalgar Road heading towards Hope Road. It's about 2:30 in the afternoon, so that will give you an idea of what the traffic is like in the afternoons. As you can see, it's a red light, and that motorbike on the left has just gone through. And look at these motorbikes. 2 out of the 3 went through on the red light, which is an everyday occurrence in Jamaica. They're supposed to get these cameras that when somebody runs the red light, they take a picture of the license plate and they issue a ticket. The law has been passed, but the system is not up and running yet. That's why persons just every day run the red light. And also, as you can see, that motorbike that just passed, there's a law in Jamaica that says all motorbike riders must wear a helmet. And as you'll see in the videos, few do. Okay, so we're on Trafalgar Road, and that intersection straight ahead is Hope Road. On the right, those apartment buildings, that's the Abbey Court apartment buildings. Very iconic building in Jamaica. And on the left, where you see this metal fence, that's the YMCA. Okay, so we're going to turn left onto Hope Road. This is a very busy intersection because it takes you from New Kingston to Halfway Tree. That's Trafalgar Road that we're on. But also Hope Road runs all the way from Ligani down to Halfway Tree. And the road straight ahead is Waterloo Road. So all these roads intersect right here, and they can take you to either New Kingston or Halfway Tree. Oh, that building on the right where you see the tree, that's Devon House. Devon House is a historic site in Jamaica. It has an old great house from the days of slavery, so persons can take tours of the house, and they've converted the yard space to restaurants where you can go and have ice cream, eat, Have pizza restaurants, steakhouses, bars, and the grounds have been turned into like a park, so you can take the kids and they run up and down, and very nicely run place. Okay, so we just turned left onto Hope Road and we're heading towards Halfway Tree now. Okay, this intersection straight ahead is Winchester Road, and that shopping center on the left is Winchester Business Center. I shouldn't say shopping center, it's a business center. A lot of doctors' offices, commercial buildings are over there. On the right, that's Surbiton Road. That's more the residential area, a lot of apartments, townhouses, homes. No commercial buildings on that side. Or not, shouldn't say no, none. Most of the buildings on that side are residential homes. Okay, straight ahead you can see the iconic Halfway Tree clock, which is a historic site in Jamaica. On the right is the Heart Trust NTA building, which is a government agency. Okay, on the left is the Clock Tower Plaza now. Now we're going into the heart of Halfway Tree, which is this section here. There's a park right by the clock, and that's where you can get the taxis or bus. So anywhere you find that kind of transportation system, you're going to find a lot of people. On the left is the Juicy Patties. Straight ahead, that blue building with the NCB logo, that's the Halfway Tree NCB branch. As you can see, a lot more people in this area. Up to 250,000 people use Halfway Tree every day. That's because of the transportation system. Everything culminates into Halfway Tree. So if you want a JUTC bus, a regular bus, a taxi, everything is right here in Halfway Tree. It's the transportation hub of Kingston and St. Andrew. So you'd go from Halfway Tree to downtown, Spanish Town, Crossroads. Anywhere you need to go, you can get the transportation here. And that's a park over there. As you can see, there are a lot of vendors in this area. But they're very orderly. They're not out onto the sidewalk. There are usually a lot of police in this area every day to maintain law and order. Okay, straight ahead you can see there's a Tasty Patties. On the left is the York Plaza. Okay, this intersection now, we're on Hope Road. Straight across the light, that's Hagley Park Road. And the cars coming down, they're on Constant Spring Road, and then when you go through the light and turn right, where the cars going straight across, they go onto Halfway Tree Road. So this is one of the busiest intersections in Kingston. Actually, halfway tree is the capital of St. Andrew, but because Kingston and St. Andrew are controlled by the KSAC, persons just refer to the whole area as Kingston. Alright guys, thanks for watching the video. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.